Here we are preparing for spread plating. Make sure the bench is clean, wipe with alcohol, and always work near the fire. Light the match first before you turn on the gas. Okay. And then for this cereal dilution, we'll be using the microfuge tubes. So we will remove the microfuge tubes and place it into a microfuge holder. The best practice to autoclave microfuges are to actually open them when placing them into the autoclave bags, so that the steam from the autoclave can sterilize all the inside of the microfuges. Always work near the flame. So the microfuges that we have are 2 mils in volume. So open them carefully. Do not touch the inside of the microfuge. So we are preparing the microfuges to add the diluent, where we will then proceed with cereal dilution before we carry out spread plating. So this is the diluent. It is already autoclaved in a universal bottle, and we're going to place them in the 900 microliter into the microfuges. You can see the masking tape here, the autoclave tape here. Okay, so the autoclave tape is special. It looks like the masking tape, but after autoclaving, the lines will appear to indicate that these are already autoclaved. So for 900 microliter, we'll use the blue micropipette. Okay, you can see that we have set it at 900 microliter. Okay. Okay, so always work near the flame. Loosen the cap first. Okay, I will use the little finger. Okay, to remove the cap. Flame the mouth, and then aspirate the 900 microliter of saline diluent, and then dispense all the way into the microfuges. Then flame the mouth of the bottle again, the universal bottle again, before you tighten the cap. So for aseptic techniques, flaming of the mouth is actually just to expand the air near the mouth of the universal bottle, so that contaminants do not enter the bottle from the atmosphere from outside. Put the 100 microliter of sample. Okay, so we've placed the sample in a beaker, small beaker. So now we have got the yellow micropipette ready. 100 microliter of sample, and we dispense into the microfuge. Okay, you can mix them by aspirating up and down the micropipette. Okay, other ways of mixing, you can tap it like that using your finger. Okay, or if you have a vortex mixer nearby, you can use a vortex mixer to mix the samples well. Okay, once you've mixed it well, you can proceed with zero dilution by aspirating another 100 microliter from the first tube. Okay, and place it into the next tube. Okay, and so on and so forth until you complete your whole zero dilution. The zero dilution is done. You are ready to spread plate. Here we have a fresh plate, and we will dispense 100 microliter, so that you can see from here it's 100.0 microliter of sample onto the fresh media. So this is the hockey stick for spreading the inoculum. So usually we clean the hockey stick by putting it in spirit and then flaming it using a Bunsen burner. You do not have to keep the hockey stick over the flame because it will make the spreader too warm. Okay, usually just flaming it enough to remove the methyl spirit is enough. Is adequate to keep it clean. Okay. So now we are ready to dispense the sample onto the plate. Okay. Work near the flame, take up 100 microliter of sample, and then place it onto the plate. Okay, next, again clean the spreader. Once the flame is off, you can start spreading. As you spread, just turn the plate around to ensure that the spreading has covered the whole petri dish. Okay. Once you're done, clean the spreader by doing the same thing again.